Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. So the first thing that you have to do is open your banking application. It can be Chase, Wells, Fargo, and etc. And just navigate to the Zelle section. So from here, just tap on Send in the Zelle and then enter the email or the phone number linked to the Cash App account. Next step is enter the dollar amount that you want to transfer, and you can also add an optional memo, but that depends on you. So next is review all the details, make sure everything is correct, and then tap on send to transfer the money through Zelle. And lastly is you can open the Cash application and check your balance, so the Zelle transfer should appear within minutes. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!